Alright guys, what is up? Sergeant Snazzy is back. Now this is a bit of an extension to my last video. This is DOS, as you can clearly see, this is DOS 7.1. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of a history lesson, I guess, on 7.1. 7.1, well, wasn't really a version of DOS, I guess, like after, technically the last version was 6.22. Now the actual last version was version 8. But 7.1 was basically kind of the same DOS under the hood to be used in Windows 95B and above. Now, of course, if you had like DOS 6.2 installed on your computer and installed Windows 95B, you could use that, I believe. It's basically the same DOS, except there's a lot of different add-ons and different things that come with this certain package, such as graphical interfaces, a lot more utilities, and here's the best part about it. I'm going to show you guys in a second here. Let me just do this. That's the best part about it. Look at that full 16-bit graphics. Now I have this thing come up called Volkov Commander. Now I had to just do this video because it was in a pretty bad quality, and I also got the sound working. So if I do this, it gives me that beeping sound. I don't know if you heard that or not, but it scared the crap out of me again for the second time. I'm gonna just quit. Now obviously there are some problems because this is by the Chinese. That was one of them. That was the second one. Now if I go to change directory, I learned something while I was doing it. CC-DOS XEDX. I get this. And I looked up on Wikipedia, and the CC-DOS stands for the Chinese Characters Disk Operating System. Basically, it's just the same thing as regular DOS, just with Chinese characters. But if I go to directory, well, it's in English. Anyway, what's that? CD dat. What's that? I want to know what that is. What's that? What's that directory? Directory. Oh, okay, but you can't. Alright, so I got this strange little bar at the bottom. That's kind of cool, actually. It's like it gives me the time and the day. That's kind of neat, actually. It's like almost like a, wait, is this like a taskbar? Can I use it? How do I alright, so I'm gonna restart it. Going to explore some of the utilities. Basically, this is only a test version. Oh, thanks for offering me. Now I can also get out of here. And I get that stupid error. Oh, let's see, directory. So I have CC-DOS, PDOS. I don't know what PDOS is. What's PDOS? Directory. PDOS. Font 16. Quit. Let's quit. I'm kind of scared to run that. I hope it doesn't beep at me. Like, it's at the time of the... okay. HZV IO 95. Stop freaking beeping at me, you stupid computer. I hate older computers. The beeps scare me. Alright, let's try something else. Let's try so logo.sys is I believe your logo for the start sound. So let's try CD sound. I think sound is your sound. Yeah. What's Environmaster? Whoa. Okay. That's cool. Interesting. Very cool. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of different, like, this specific version is like a Chinese version, like I said. It's like China DOS Union according to WinWorld. By the way, I'm going to post a link for WinWorld. WinWorld is the site I use for all my abandonware and all of my older operating systems. They have from DOS 1. They have like Mac OS, DOS, Linux, pretty much all the Windows ones up until the early Windows XP and Windows Vista betas. They do not have the full-fledged version of XP. I'm hoping I can get a version of it pretty soon. Maybe, or just just pirate a copy. uh, but yeah, Anyway, that's pretty much it for DOS 7. Like, there's not much to see. I have had some more programs. I remember I used to use DOSBox a lot, which is an emulator, which is, it's not the same as a virtual machine. An emulator is more for playing games, actually, I mean, you can use programs in an emulator if you want to, but it's not the full-fledged thing. It just emulates what it is. I can't really explain it. But I used to play like Doom, Castle Wolfenstein, Duke Nukem, at least a demo. I mean, there's all kinds of cool games you can. So if you wanna play some old '90s games without paying for them on good old games or whatever, just get DOSBox. That's what you need. It's pretty cool. I used to use it a lot in my Chromebook because they couldn't do crap on them. Just play some good old fashioned Doom or whatever. It's cool. So that's pretty much it for DOS 7.1. So tomorrow I'm hoping to do Windows 1.0 and maybe 2.0, and maybe kind of explore more of DOS 6, which is I probably will anyway, because I'll probably use DOS 6 to run Windows 1 and 2. Why I say 1 and 2 is because they're pretty much the same thing, basically. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. It's like almost 3 a.m. I gotta get to bed. I'm gonna probably do some stuff tomorrow, go to BJ's and pick up a case of Arizona iced tea. I don't know, something like that. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful night. And I know it's past Father's Day, but happy Father's Day. That's it, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.